Welcome back to the channel. So in this episode of What Bodging, I'm going to take a look at what's gone on in October. So there's been a lot of time spent on the Volvo. So the chassis has now been rebuilt, all bearings added. Printers have been busy this month. Designed and printed a rear diffuser for it. Some mounts for the spoiler. All the stickers have been removed around the door trim and the windows that were basically no good. So they've all been replaced. Intercoolers fitted, front bumper cut out. Body mounts are sorted, so they're now sitting correctly. So there should be a detailed video of that coming up. Just got a couple more things to finish. Now, I say the printers have been busy this month. You may have seen the video of the solid tyres that I ended up printing for the 52mm wheels. Off the back of that video, I had Eddie at RC Fun Days reach out to me, and he was after some wheels for a Mark II Escort build, and he was going for a drift style build. So we settled on some M chassis size Rota grids. These are a 4mm offset. And he also wanted a set. As he was going for a drift build, I thought, well, I'll see if I can get him some solid tyres made up. Printed him another set of wheels. Give him a coat of paint. That's what we got. So it'd be interesting to see them on the Escort. Also made him a little tyre removal tool and fitting tool. So they'll be off to him shortly, and we hope to see them on the channel. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. I also put a video up suggesting some wheels for the S15, and Rota grids were suggested. So we got some printed out, adjusted the offsets. We've also adjusted the concave face of it. So you can see these are a little bit deeper. So one on the rear, the other one's on the front. And for a final touch on the S15, I'm going to design some of my caliper kits, design some brackets to fit them. So I'm going to have to model them off the replacement hubs. So I'll be starting on that as well. I also had Pete reach out to me at CW01 Creations, as he was after some spacers for a G601 chassis, because he's going to be converting them from 6-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive and I believe rear-wheel drive. Same chassis that's on the Konghead and King Yellow. So it'd be interesting to see how they finally end up. If you haven't seen any of his stuff, there's a link to his channel in the description. Go and take a look. So what's next? We're going to get the wheels fitted. I'm going to design up some body posts so the body actually sits correctly on the chassis. I'm going to get the caliper kit sorted, and that should be the S15 done. Hopefully we get that finished this month. So I've also had some more bits come in for a project that I literally started years ago and started collecting bits for. So there's a hell of a lot of aluminium there and a hell of a lot of blue. And that's all going to be going on the TTO2. Not sure why I'm doing it, but why not? We're also going to compare how heavy that actually is compared to a standard TTO2. Yeah, just random project, why not? Last but not least, we have this. So I was down at my friend's unit and he turned around and said, do you fancy restoring this? So this may interest you vintage lovers. But we've got an original Ford Ranger. For the most part it's intact. So it'll be getting a bit of a refresh, bit of a refurb. And we'll see what we can do with it. I'd like to keep it standard if we can. So manual speed controllers and everything as well. I've got free rein to do what I want on the body. So I'm toying with actually getting a set of not original decals, because probably won't find them and probably can't afford them, but maybe a repo set and have it in the original colours. So let me know what you think about that one. Drop your comments in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.